Hey guys, so today I have a really different video. I want to unbox something that I bought, and as you can see, it is a Kendra Scott item. This is the first time I unbox something on my channel, and especially in this format where you can only see what I am unboxing, but I thought it would be fun, it would be quick, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to start by unboxing what I got yesterday. And it is a Kendra Scott item. It comes in this beautiful bag. I'm going to show you the bag. On the inside, it's actually this beautiful teal color. And then the box is in here. So I'm going to put that aside. And this is what the box looks like. It has a beautiful white bow. Kendra Scott. So gorgeous. And the opening is like this magnetic closure. So cute, very high-end. It kind of resembles the high-end luxury bags and those types of things that come in these boxes that have the magnetic closure. That's what it made me think of. Then this white bow, let me open this up. What I found interesting of this bow is it has this right here, as you can see, so it's pre-made and it just stretches so it can fit the box. I thought that was super cool, very cool and neat idea. And then this is a box. Again, it has a magnetic closure. You open it up, it says Kendra Scott, and here is the item. It has this little plush inside. It's kind of glittery, very cute. I believe this comes off. Yep, and you can actually use the box to store something. So putting that back in there. Now this is the item. It comes now in this different dust bag. This dust bag is very soft and it says Kendra Scott. It's very different. The old ones were kind of like the teal color inside the bag. So here we go. And these are the beauties that I picked up. So gorgeous. They're kind of iridescent. I think they're just absolutely beautiful. I don't have anything like this, so I stepped out of my comfort zone a little bit. I usually go for solid colors, nothing very iridescent. Blues, turquoise, just normal colors, but I think this is beautiful. So that's what they look like when they hit the light. So gorgeous. These were actually $75, but I did use a birthday coupon. It was my dad's birthday this month, and they allowed him to use his birthday month coupon, and it came out to 50% off. So they were $37 plus tax. Let me see my receipt. They were actually $40.59. So that's a pretty big discount, a pretty good discount as well. So if you have a loved one or your own birthday coming up, you can always go to a Kendra Scott store and pick up one set of earrings or one piece of jewelry for 50% off. So don't miss on that opportunity. These are gorgeous and I can't wait to style them. And again, in the bag, the only thing that comes in here, it's a little booklet, and I guess it just tells you about Kendra. And that's it. So that's what I picked up yesterday. This is my first unboxing ever, and I hope you really enjoy the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I would love to know if you enjoy this so I can do more of these types of videos when I purchase something. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.